So this is your signature name affidavit. This is all the ways that someone has typed your name throughout the process. Typos are kind of normal here, but if any of these just can't possibly be you in any universe, please let me know, okay? Now, breaking character. The signature name affidavit is kind of complicated sometimes. So here, there's no extra name for her, so it's easy. She would just sign here, and she's going to sign here because those are the two places that we saw her name pop up. But down here, if you don't see any extra names here, don't add any, right? And if there are names here, they would write like the different ways that her name have popped up. Let's say she's been married more than once, you might see old maiden names pop up. If they have like a complicated last name, you might see typos. That's fine, right? Now, here, sometimes people try to change their signature here. The signature here is just acknowledging that they're acknowledging the name here. They're going to sign here how they've signed every other paper. They are not changing their signature. So sometimes if they've been signing with their first name, middle initial, last name, they might look on this line and it might not say the first, middle, last, but they will still sign how they've been signing with the first, middle, last. They're not going to change it. They're just acknowledging this name. Now, let's say they see a name here and they're like, that is not me, and I'm not signing as that. I'm uncomfortable with it. That is totally fine. All they would do is write never known as on the line. Okay? So, yeah. Now, here I always slip in a joke like, oh, one time I had a guy find out that his wife had been married before because an old maiden name popped up, which actually did happen to me. But I tell that joke every time I get to this page. It kind of, it's a little something.